So Samsung, the South Korean mobile and tech giant, will be celebrating their 10th year anniversary by launching the highly anticipated new flagship, the Galaxy S10, in just a matter of weeks. But what makes this phone so interesting is there is a rumor going around that this phone is supposed to be pre-installed with a cryptocurrency wallet. In this video, we will be separating fact from fiction and determining if this is the case. And if this is true, what implications would this have on the overall cryptocurrency markets? You're about to find out, coming up now.
Is your money working for you, or are you working for money?
Welcome to the Crypto Lifestyle, the lifestyle where your money works for you instead of you working for that money. And if this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Francis, also known as The Crypto Lifestyle, and my passion is educating you guys, the people, the public, the masses, about blockchain technology and the implications it has on not just changing lives, but this technology is changing the world. We also cover projects or ICOs that has the potential of giving us a 100x return, like we did in 2017 with Icon, and very similar to what we did in 2018 in the brutal bear market with Digitex futures. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing, because from the bottom of my heart, I would truly hate for anyone, and I mean anyone, to miss out on such an awesome opportunity. Now, will there be a Bitcoin wallet pre-installed in the new Samsung devices that will be rolling out the next couple of weeks? Now, the photos you're about to see right here are not confirmed to be genuine 100% just as yet. But what we do know is South Korea are one of the leading countries who are on the forefront of technology. And let me tell you something right now, blockchain tech is by no means any different. So we all heard of these mega corporations that are all South Korean, by the way. For example, companies such as LG Electronics, which is worth a whopping $38.7 billion, and Hyundai Motors, which is also worth a whopping $164 billion, Kia Motors, which is also worth $49 billion, and of course Samsung, which is worth $283 billion. So clearly, we just established when it comes to technology, this country, South Korea, are by no means any pushover. Enter blockchain. South Korea, dubbed the crypto-friendly nation, are just not theoretical on blockchain tech, by the way, but they have already implemented this technology within hospitals and within their governments. For example, hospitals will be using blockchain technology to store medical documents in this nation, and the South Korean government will be developing a blockchain voting system to reinforce transparency. But South Korea are already a force to be reckoned with in this space. BitHub, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges located in Seoul, South Korea, are responsible for one of the highest trading volumes in all of cryptocurrency exchanges. Another popular exchange called Upbit, which is another major cryptocurrency exchange that is also South Korean, is a major player in the crypto world with massive amounts of trading volume as well. And not to mention the South Korean cryptocurrencies such as Sentinel Protocol, who are safeguarding digital assets with cybersecurity protocols like sandboxing. But here is the real direct connection which links Samsung to cryptocurrencies. This brings us to South Korea's most popular and successful cryptocurrency called Icon, also known as the ticker ICX. On May 11, 2018, Samsung and Icon announced through a Medium post that they will be partnering together. This partnership will allow Samsung to use Icon's chain ID for their new project called Samsung's Pass. Samsung felt that Icon's chain ID will indeed improve their own service, Samsung Pass, which currently uses biometrics to access the application. So look guys, all in all, we do not know for certain if Samsung will have a pre-downloaded cryptocurrency wallet in their new device, the S10, but if I had to bet on it, I would definitely say these leaked photos are true. As I just shown you in this video, this nation has already established themselves to be the front runners in blockchain tech. Now, having a Bitcoin wallet pre-downloaded in a phone, will this lead to mass adoption or the next bull run? Not no, but hell no. okay? True mass adoption will come from the traditional financial services offering crypto to their clients, along with the public educating themselves on Bitcoin and blockchain technology without being brainwashed with the misinformation that's being put out there by mainstream media. This will not come from a phone that has the words cryptocurrency wallet labeled somewhere in it. However, I do feel that this is the step in the right direction, but it must be said, we will need a lot more than just a pre-downloaded Bitcoin wallet in a phone to start the next bull run and to trigger mass adoption. Make no mistake about that. So you guys let me know what you think in the comment section below, and that's all I have for you in regards to this subject. God bless each and every single one of you, and you know what, there ain't really much left to say other than, until the next video, you're on your own. Later.
Wherever I go, it just goes with me. Crypto life is the life I lead.